Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths, chapter 6, exercise 6a, question number 10 we are going to start today. Question number 10 is a line is divided into two parts in the ratio of this and this. We have a line, right, that is divided into these two ratios. If the smaller one is this centimeter and we have to find the length of the full line. Clear? One part, smaller part is given to us. We have to find length of the total line. So, this ratio is given to us. How to write it? By taking x along with it. We will write, let the numbers (2.5x). I have already told you in the previous videos that how to write it. 1.3x. Clear? Now length of smallest part. Length of smallest part is this centimeter. Then how to do, beta, out of these two ratios, which is the smallest one? This is. So it means this will equals to the smallest part. We can write 1.3x is equals to 35.1 centimeter. X is equals to, so we can write it in this way. Now we can remove the decimal 35113. When we will remove its decimal, we will write 10 here, and when we will remove decimal of 1.3, we will write 10 in the upper side. Now we got, after dividing it, you will get 27. Clear ji? So this is the value of x. Now what to do? We have to find the bigger number, that is 2.5. Put the value. Bigger part is equals to 2.5. That will be, into x. 2.5 into 27, and you will get, yes. Now length of wire, length of line. How to find length of the line? We will add smallest and the biggest part. Add both the values, you will get the answer. So the bigger part is 67.5 centimeter plus the smallest part that was given in the question, that is 35.1 centimeter. Add it. This, 102.6 is the required answer. Next, question number 11. Here in a class, the ratio of boys to girls is 7:8. So ratio is given, that is 7:8. This question we will not do by multiplying with x, because it's very easy. What part of whole class are girls? Ratio of boys to girl is given. We have to find what part of whole class are girls, right? But here the total number of students are not given, so that's why we will not take x with them. We will do the question very simple, in the very simple way. So this is the ratio, sum of ratios. (7 plus 8 is equals to 15. Clear? We have to find the part of girls. Is equals to, this is ratio of girls. How I know that this is the ratio of girls? Because in the question he has mentioned ratio boys to girl. First he has written boys, it means the ratio of boys is 7, then ratio of girls is 8. That's why I know that this is the ratio of girls. So I will write 8 over total strength. This is the required answer. The population of a town is 1,80,000, out of which males are 1/3 of the whole population, means total population. Total population is 1,80,000. Out of which males are 1/3 of the whole population. Find the number of females. Firstly, we have to find number of females. Note the part. Clear? Number of females, it means we will find the females in this number. Right? In this way. And then we have to find the ratio. This is the second part. First part we need to find number of female, and the second part of the question is we will find the ratio of number of females to the whole population. Clear? So let's start. Firstly, to find the number of female, we must know how many males are there. For that, what to do? We will find the males in number. They are given in 1/3 part. The males are given in fraction. So we will find it. We will find number of males. How to find number of males? We have 1/3 of total population. Total population is 1,80,000. Clear, beta? So now 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. You will get 60,000. So number of males are 60,000. And the number of females, that how to find? Total population minus number of male. Clear? You will get 1,20,000. These are the number of males. The first part of question we have done. Second part, we need to find ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of number of female to the total population. Right? So number of females are 1,20,000 over total population. Total population is 1,80,000. Now cancel the zeros. We can cancel it with the table of 3. 3 6 or with the 6. 6 to the 12. 6 3s are 18. So it is equals to 2/3. We can write it 2:3. That is required answer. So that's all about with this question. Next we will do in next video. Thank you.